Hi everyone, this is Ann. I have a few quick tips for you today on avoiding side effects when using topical hyaluronic acid. And this is not a sponsored video. These are just some tips that I wanted to share that have really helped me in hopes that it can help someone else. And if you know of anyone else that might benefit from this video, please be sure to share the video with them. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel and you enjoy my videos, please be sure to subscribe. Hyaluronic acid helps to plump and add moisture to the skin, and many different companies have added hyaluronic acid into their skincare products, or you can also find just hyaluronic acid serums as well. Hyaluronic acid works by pulling moisture from the air to hydrate the skin. But if you're in an area with very little humidity, then it actually pulls the moisture from your deeper layers of your skin, which can lead to dry skin. So if you already have dry skin and or live in a climate with very little humidity, using a topical hyaluronic acid product can actually end up drying out your skin, leaving it looking more aged rather than plump and youthful. But there are a few things that you can do to avoid this. My first tip is to always apply your hyaluronic acid product onto damp skin, never onto dry skin. And the second tip is to always apply a moisturizer over your hyaluronic acid product. And these two tips will help you to avoid dry skin from using a topical hyaluronic acid product. I do have dry skin and I live in Colorado, which is a very dry climate. So my very favorite hyaluronic acid product that I've ever used is by Hyaluronic, and this is their night cream. I will go ahead and put a link to where I purchased mine down in the description box in case you want to read more about this product. I use grade 5, which is for more mature skin. They have from grade 1 to 5, and it depends on what your skin needs as it ages. And I'll just put the links to all of them down in the description box in case you want to read more about this product. But I apply a little bit of this at nighttime, and then I go ahead and apply my moisturizer over the top of it. And I have purchased one about a year ago. It lasts for quite a while, probably a good 7 or 8 months. And when I ran out of the first tube of this, I did notice that my skin wasn't looking as plump as it was when I used this. So even though this is a very pricey product, I broke down and bought it because it does last quite a long time and it really does make a difference in the plumpness of my skin. I would love to hear what your favorite hyaluronic acid product is down in the comments section. I hope you found these tips helpful. Thank you so much for watching.